Hello everyone, allow me to present myself, for who doesn't know me yet. My name is Carlo, but just simply call me Gian. Together with my wife Manuela, which is my spiritual co-worker, I am a metaphysicist, a spiritual counselor, psychic, medium and international spiritual teacher, known in different parts of the world. I've been coming to Dubai lately to share my spiritual knowledge together with my wife through my teachings and workshops and helping people to overcome all their negative issues through my one-on-one sessions. And now I'm really happy and proud to announce that together with my wife, we are going to guide the Spring Equinox Sacred Healing Retreat, which is a beautiful overnight cruise retreat from March the 30th until the 31st, 2018. But what does the Spring Equinox means in metaphysical and shamanistical terms? It is letting go of the past, letting go of our old self in total trust to embrace a new vision of life, our new self. So, we will be waiting for you for this beautiful and very powerful retreat where we will be going through very powerful and intense shamanistical rituals from the Aborigines of Australia, because we have been living with the Aborigines of Australia for a period of time where we have learned their shamanistical way of healing and letting go of the past through the very powerful sacred sound of the didgeridoo, and of course with a touch of the metaphysical approach. Well, what can I say? Yes, this retreat will truly be a beautiful, life-changing experience. So, what can I say? We'll be waiting for you. And bye for now.